In this video, we will learn how to use Hlookup in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data of sales data. Okay, I'm using here the Hlookup. Hlookup used in horizontal way. Okay, this is a horizontal way, and VLOOKUP used in vertical way. If you know about the VLOOKUP, you understand what I'm saying here. So now I'm use here the Hlookup. The location is north. You can enter your location as you want the total amount. I'm if you if you want the total amount here, you enter the manually. If you want the total amount, total sales of north, you can see here in the north column total amount, total sales is 2380. This is you can enter the manually. If you enter here the south location, the total sales is 2890. Okay, now I'm using here Hlookup for this horizontal line of total sales. Okay, so let's start. Is equal to Hlookup, tab, select the Hlookup value. This is a Hlookup value, then comma, table array, select the table, comma, then row. Row is a we want here to total sale. Total row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number rows. You enter here 6. Okay, row number. Okay, yeah, you can see here right row index number, then comma 0, then bracket close, and just enter. You can see here the 2380 the north total sales. If you enter here the south, you can see here 2890 south total sales. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.